Sunrise on a dusty road, guitar on my back, barefoot dreams and a heart full of tracks. From the hills to the fields where the sweet wind stays.
I hear mama humming through the quiet day.
Hold on now, don't you stray. Love is the compass, it will show the way. Take me home where the river bends, where country roots and reggae blend. One love growing in the open land, faith in the soil, hope in our hands. Take me home, let the good times roll. Country soul with a rebel soul.
Old truck rolling in the red dirt sound, steel strings crying when the sun goes down. Freedom rides on a simple tune, truth in the stars, peace in the moon.
Stand firm, don't fear the night. Every little seed grows toward the light. Take me home where the river bends, where country roots and reggae blend. One who love growing in the open land, faith in the soil, hope in our hands. Take me home, let the good times roll. Country soul with a rebel soul. No chains on the heart, no hate in the ground. Just a back porch prayer and a rootsy sound. From Kingston breeze to a southern sky, same old dream, just a different cry. Vinyl, take me home where the river bends, where country roots and reggae blend. One love strong till the very end. Family close, hearts defend.